Hi students, this is CUET 2024 Maths Paper Solution by Rupa Guha. Section B1, question 28. This is a question from differential equation. Match list 1 with list 2. So this is a match the following type of question. Now list 1 has A, B, C, D and list 2 has 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the type of question, look into it. All are, we have to find the integrating factors. So we are looking into the third type of differential equation, that is linear differential equation. Now let's have a look at the options. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 options are there. Now these type of questions I could work on the elimination theory, right? So first of all, I'll start with looking the correct solution for the A part. So if I relate A with any of them, then I may not need to find the value of B if I am super confident about my answer, right? So A here you can see is related with 1, 1 in first two and with 2 and 3 in the next two. So if I get the answer A is related with 1, then I have to solve further for the B because we have two options in which A is related with 1. But if I get A is related with 2 or A is related with 3, then I don't have to proceed further. I just can take the correct answer. So let's check the correct answer. It is option 2. So definitely I have to go for B also. But for your benefit, I have solved all the options. So let's see the solution. So the question is x dy minus in bracket y plus 2x square dx equals to 0. So the first thing what we need to do is find the value of dy by dx. Now we already know that this is a linear differential equation type. So next step what I am going to do, I'll be dividing x on both sides and the term y by x, I'm going to shift it to the other side. So it is of the form dy by dx plus py equals to q, where p is equals to minus 1 by x, and that is going to help me in finding out the integrating factor. So the integrating factor will be e raised to the power p dx, and we already know that p is minus 1 by x. So I'll land with the answer e raised to the power log of x, right? Now, when outside log a negative sign is there, I can always put to that negative sign as a power of x, and that will go in the denominator, as x raised to the power minus 1 is equals to 1 by x. So e raised to the power log of 1 by x, and we already know the properties of logarithm, that is e raised to the power log x is equals to x. So I'm going to get the answer as 1 by x. So that makes A is related with 1, right? So this is how I have two options which is correct, where 1 and 2, both the options as A is related with 1. Now I have to go for B part, and then I think I can be sure of which is the correct answer, right? So again, a differential equation is given to me. I'll sort it out in the form of dy by dx. So that is equals to 2x square minus 3y by x. I'll be dividing x on individually. And then what I'll be doing, I'll shifting that y part in which there is y to the other side. So I'll be finally landing with dy by dx plus 3y by x equals to 2x. So again, it is of the form dy by dx plus py equals to q, and p is of the form 3 by x. So the integrating factor will be e raised to the power p dx. So e raised to the power integration of 3 by x. So it is e raised to the power 3 log x. Again, that 3 will come in the power of x. So e raised to the power log of x cube, and e log x, as I told you, is equals to x. So it will be x cube. So B is related with the fourth part. Now let's solve the other two parts as well. But now I am confirmed and I am sure that my answer is the option 2. But still, let's go with the next two parts as well. Again, I will go with dy by dx. I have to form the equation in such a way that I could retrieve the value of dy by dx. So it is equals to minus 3x square plus 2y by x. I'll divide x individually and the term which is y term from the right hand side. I'll shift to the other side. So finally I land with dy by dx plus 2y by x equals to minus 3x. This is of the same form. So p is 2 by x. So I find the integrating factor e raised to the power integration of 2 by x. So e raised to the power 2 log x, and it will be, the answer will be x square. So C is related with 3. And the last one, that is dy by dx, again I divide by individually by 2x on both sides, and y by x will be shifted to the other side. So dy by dx plus y by x equals to minus 3 by 2x. Now I'm only worried about p. So I'll see that p is 1 by x. So integration of 1 by x is log x. So e raised to the power log x. So I finally get the answer as x. So D is related with 2. So let's see the options. 1, A part is related with 1. B part is related with 4. C part is related with 3. And D part is related with 4. That is how we land with the option 2.